In the next few lessons, we'll be taking a look at drawing eyes for manga and anime. And I'll be showing you a fundamental guideline on how to approach drawing these eyes so that you have a strong basis as you move to create more sub-styles or your own looks and feels. Now, there are multiple types of ways to draw manga and anime eyes. And if you're interested in manga drawing, I'm sure you've watched tons of anime, read tons of manga, and you have an understanding that different genres tend to have different looks. In addition to that, different ages and different genders can have different eye style designs. And especially in some manga and in some anime, the girl eye designs are completely different from the guy eye designs. And so I'll be showing you a fundamental guide on how to approach drawing all the eyes, but we can use that to expand into multiple substyles. Finally, multiple style demos are included in this section. So really use that as a guideline to help you really get a good, strong feel of how to draw manga and anime eyes in a very authentic and appealing way. Great, I'll see you guys in the next lessons.